Wanna know how to delete your Facebook account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy below Help and Support. Tap on Settings inside the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on the search bar on the top and insert your delete. Tap on Account Ownership and Control below. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion above Managing Your Information. Tap on the blank section next to Delete Account on the left. Tap on Continue to Account Deletion. So before you delete, they're asking that they may help. But if you want to continue it, you can tap on Continue to Account Deletion. You can see that this is permanently deleting option. So they are just giving us an option of deactivating our account or saving posts in our archive, or even downloading the information. You can see that I have 21 photos, 7 posts and more uploaded to Facebook. So I can download this before making it permanently deleted. You can do all of this if you want to. And if you're sure you want to delete it, tap on Delete Account. Enter your password before leaving. And then tap on Continue. Tap on Delete Account above Cancel, which is for permanent deletion. If you're okay with it, tap on Delete Account. You have successfully deleted your particular account. So this is how you do it. And this could be even released before 21 days. This shouldn't be permanently deleted before 21 days. So to make sure you want to recover it, you can go back and then retype your email ID, phone number or password and get all of it started. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.